Shyam Bhatia and I welcome to on E Academy 123. Today we will discuss how to run the Java program in Notepad. This is our prime motto. But in this session we will include how to sum the two numbers and it will run on Notepad and JDK. So you have to already install JDK as well as the Notepad. It is the prerequisite condition. So let's start. So here this is the Notepad and I will start import the java.util.scanner because I want to take the input from user. So I have to include this again, public class, and I am using the name, my class is the sum, and starting here, then public static void main and string and this scanner, and I have included the user input. It is the variable where the I will store, or you can say it is the just the object for the scanner. And here the system.println, enter the numbers. I will scan the numbers from, and I have created the three variable abc and a. I will store the number what user entered, okay, and same b same, and here I will perform the three operation. So c equal to a plus b, and what is the a plus b? It is the stored number and it hold the value what the user entered, okay, and the system.out.println and total sum of that here and here. That's all. This is our program. This is our program, and in this program we have written the code how to add two number entering by user, okay. So first of all you have to type like that, okay. Just follow me step by steps, okay, and here nothing but just save it where you want to save. So file and save as, and you have to save what the number is sum. So you can also take the addition or whatever addition you can say, or simple add, but the public class name add, so you have to include the add.java. Here it is the sum, then you have to include the in the file name sum.java. So here the add, so I will save it, save as, and here I am saving it on desktop, and what is the file name? Add, nothing but what is my add, okay. This is the same name, okay, dot java, okay. You have to write this extension, otherwise it will not perform what we not, okay, and just save, okay. Your file has been saved on your desired location with java extension, and now how to run, that is the our main motto of that video, okay. So first of all you have to go on the top and go to the run section, just click and run, and go to the F5 or just simple the run, okay. You have got this area or section, here you have to type the cmd and just hit the enter, okay. At that location your cmd adjustment command prompt has been opened, so you have to go to the back and you come on that location, but so you have to come on the top location. Your program where is saved? Your program is saved on the desktop, so go to that location, cd and what is the name? User, okay, users, and again cd Shyam Bhatia, okay, again cd and desktop, because your file are here desktop, and you came just cls and come here. Here friends, you have your location, you have come on your desired location, and now the most important thing, you have to write this code java c. C is nothing but the java compiler, and now the write the name add.java. What is this? It is your file name with extension, and what is the file name? Add.java. So you have to write that java c space add.java and hit the enter, okay. The bytecode is generating. If something error is appear, then your code will not compile, and yes, here your file has been compiled properly and there is no error in this code. If some error are appeared in that program, then message will pop up here and location is also pop up here. The error is lies on that step. So in this program there is no error, and frankly your bytecode using Java compiler has been created, and this bytecode, it does mean you have to the two file. You have to the two file. First file is what? Java, and second file is add.class. You can find, you can go to the your this is my desktop and this is the class file add, this is the Java file. If you go to the property, if you go to the property, and then you will find the nothing but the .java file, but this is the another add file. If you go to the property, then you will find the nothing but the .class file. Yes, here is the .class file. It does mean, so just we came here and you can type here, you can type, first of all you have type the javac space add.java. It does mean it will create the class file. It does mean the bytecode has been generated, class file has been generated. Now we will run that. So here only you have to type the Java and just mention the add. It is your class name. There is no need to use extension .java. Just hit the enter. Yes, your program has been run. Congrats. Enter the number. So I will enter the number 5 and just hit the enter. Enter the second number. So you can say the 6. 6 plus 5 is what? 11. So yes, the total sum of above number is 11. Okay. Yes, has been your cat. So in this way, on Notepad you can run your Java program. You can run your Java program. So you can say like that, this is your Java program, and here you can say here is your Java program, and if I cls and again I run Java and add, just hit the enter. Number suppose 10 12 and add the 5, although what will the sum? 17. Yes, your sum is 17. So in this way your Java program can be run on what? Command prompt using the Notepad. So if you really like this program, this video, then please like it and share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. We will meet soon again in next video.